A screen reader is a type of assistive technology that enables people who are blind or have low vision to access and navigate digital content, including websites, applications, and documents. It works by converting on-screen text and interface elements into speech or braille output, allowing users to perceive and interact with the information presented visually on a screen. Screen readers offer several ways for users to move through a web page. Each method helps users explore content efficiently and stay oriented while browsing. Let's see an example from the UX Prodigy website. 1. Tab navigation. The Tab key is used to move between interactive elements, like links, buttons, and form fields. Each press of the Tab key jumps the focus to the next item the user can interact with.
Accessibility. The UX Prodigy, we provide end-to-end UX services. Document. Visited same page link. Skip to main content. Banner landmark home graphic visited link. Navigation landmark list with 4 items. Our services link. Accessibility certification link. The team link. Let's make your product accessible link.
2. Arrow key navigation. The up and down arrow keys allow users to move through content line by line or item by item. This method is often used for reading continuous text, such as articles or paragraphs.
Situational disability. When people move through different environments that make interaction difficult. Heading Level 2 Accessibility Certification. Do you need a certification of compliance? We have developed a roadmap of activities and we can issue a certification of compliance according to the Link Web Content Accessibility Guidelines, WCAG 2.2, which covers the technical requirements of the European Accessibility Act. Our model is based on the combination of graphic icon showing multiple devices, heading Level 3 expert-based evaluation, accessibility audits, graphic icon showing browser window with line of code, heading Level 3 support in the remediation efforts, graphic icon showing a hand cursor clicking, heading Level 3 usability testing with users with disabilities.
3. Heading navigation. Users can navigate by headings to jump quickly between sections of a page. Each press of the H key moves to the next heading on the page, allowing the screen reader to read it aloud.
Main landmark. Our team of web accessibility professionals helps organizations build accessible and truly usable digital experiences. Heading Level 1, Design for Accessibility benefits everyone. Heading Level 2, Visual. Heading Level 3, Auditory. Heading Level 3, Speech. Heading Level 3, Cognitive. Heading Level 3, Physical. Heading Level 3, Age-related. Heading Level 3, Neurological. Heading Level 3. So, how can we help you provide a seamless experience for all and meet your business goals?
4. Link navigation. Screen readers can also navigate by links. Users can jump from one link to the next by pressing the K key. This makes it easy to find specific destinations without reading all the text in between.
Accessibility. The UX Prodigy, we provide end-to-end UX services. Document. Visited same page link. Skip to main content. Banner landmark home graphic visited link. Navigation landmark list with 4 items. Our services link. Accessibility certification link. The team link. Let's make your product accessible link. Main landmark web content accessibility guidelines.
5. Landmark navigation. Landmarks divide a web page into regions, such as navigation, main content, and footer. Users can move directly between these areas by pressing the D key, helping them understand the page layout and move efficiently through the site.
Banner landmark home graphic visited link. Navigation landmark list with 4 items. Our services link. Main landmark. Our team of web accessibility professionals helps organizations build accessible and truly usable. Heading Level 1.
6. Form navigation. Users can easily locate and move between form fields on a page by pressing the F key. This lets them jump quickly from one input field to the next, such as text boxes, checkboxes, or buttons, without needing to scan the entire page.
Clickable main landmark full name star edit required. Email star edit required. Describe what you are interested in working together star edit required multi-line. I have read and accept the terms of use star checkbox not checked required invalid entry.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel to explore more digital accessibility videos and stay updated on our upcoming content. You can also visit our website, theuxprodigy.com, for articles, webinars, courses, or to get in touch with us directly about our digital accessibility services.